not that I think you're going to watch this, but Elegoo, what you should do is say, this is not ideal, this is not what we initially promised, but we are offering a Centauri Carbon 1 to Centauri Carbon 2 upgrade kit that consists of the new control board, any cabling that will need to be had, the multicolor unit, spool holders, and any additional PTFE tube or adapters that would need to be had, all in said kit. 150, 200 bucks if you can make that a thing. For 150 bucks, I don't think you're going to piss off a lot of people. I don't know that 150 bucks will be an option, but if it is, probably 100 bucks, you would definitely make a lot of people happy, especially if they're already purchased it with the hopes of the initial. If you could offer it to them at 100 bucks, just saying, if you want it before this date, $100 outright to you, 150 bucks if you buy it from this date forward, 150, 200 bucks if you want to get the upgrade kit. The upgrade kit will get you to a Centauri Carbon 2. Do that. You'll make a lot of people happy. A lot of people are still going to be pissed off. You're not going to make everyone happy, but a lot of people will be happy knowing they have an upgrade path.